Okay, gentlemen, good afternoon. We continue chapter 9, and I believe that, no, not here. Okay, let me find where we were. Last time we finished on where? Oh, here. So we finished on inequalities, right? So we will continue today, and we will play with slope for the beginning. So what is this? Stuff like that. Okay. So you see that triangle where it says run and rise? So remember that picture to the end of your life. Okay, horizontal is run, vertical is rise. So slope calculated, last time I told you it is ratio, right? Now, since we have two given points, we have a difference between coordinates. So that's the formula. That is the formula for slope calculation. Okay, now let's practice. So what point you name P1, P2, or whatever, any other thing, what is the first point, what is the second, it doesn't matter. So let's try this one P1, this one P2, and then we reverse and see what happens. So slope would be 3 plus 1 over 5 minus 2, yes? For third. So y2, 3, minus y1, minus minus gives me plus 5 minus 2. Good? Here's the formula. Right there. Write this down. If you have questions, ask. Okay, we have lots of material, so I'm a little bit faster. Okay, now if I take this as P2, this is P1. So what I have, M is minus 1 minus 3 over 2 minus 5. Same thing. So this way we prove that no matter what point we take first, what point we take second, it doesn't matter. Okay, try this one. So let's take this P1, P2. So what I have, minus 2 plus 3 over 1 minus 4. What is it? Minus 1 over 3. Yes? Guys agree? Okay. Good? Okay, find the slope of the line passing through the pair of points. Oh, we did that already. Should we do it again? We did just 3 times. Okay, so M is y2 minus y1, just recalling the formula. So let's take P1, P2. So what I have, minus 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 5 minus 1 over 8. Good?
I just don't understand.
What do you don't understand?
It's just like, why does it say line passing through? It's just another way of saying it. I could have done it.
Well, minus 5 minus 1, 1 point,
Yeah.
3 minus 2, another point. Okay? Good? Any other questions? Other words, those 2 points belongs to the line. So the line has positive slope will rise. Other words, the picture would be like that. When slope is negative, the line is declining or fall, whatever it is. Now let's do this one. So we have table of tuition in dollars, right? Okay, so we start here. This is the first pair. So the change is difference how many years? 1. So what is it? 65 or something? 2649 minus 2584, 65. But that's $65 per year, right? So if you want to know a function, something like that, right? You probably want to do this. So we can round here to, if you round to 103, we'll have big off. So let's round to 10252, for example, right? And then you have y equals 10252 times x. Now, if you plug 2584, let's see. So 1025, I'm sorry, 252 times 2584. You have 2649, 11. So this discrepancy because what we rounded, right? Now, other pair is this and that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, right? So if you go for the first approach, you need to do this. 3076 over 2649 square root of exponent 5. So that's, you find average approximately 0.0303, 40749. Or we can say 10303. Okay, that's enough. If you want to do that number, so 3076 minus 0.2649 over 5. That will be in dollars average increase, right? So 3076 minus 2649 divided on 5, 85.4. On average, it was increased $85.4 per year.
That one.
That's right, yeah. That's right. If you take this times that, you will find average increase. That's the average increase in percent, 3% a year.
How did you know that it's true?
This one? Well, I just know the formula.
You know what the one is?
Oh, that's geometric mean.
So I can think about it.
Well, you can do this. That's geometric mean. Now, if you take this over that, divided on 2649, if you take 85.4 over 2649, that's what you get, approximately. Got it? So because it is increased, it's 3% per year, it means what? That's actually not the linear relation anymore.
Right.
That's not linear relation. But if you want $2 per year, that's what it is. Average. Okay. So slope on horizontal and vertical line. So what you should remember, horizontal line, M is 0. How to determine that? Y equals to a certain number. No matter what X is, the Y will be the same number. So if you have 2 points and Y coordinate is the same, it means line is horizontal. Now here, slope undefined. Why? Because that's we have division by 0. X coordinate is the same, and if you recall slope, so delta X here is 0 because X coordinate is the same. So the slope for vertical line is undefined. So every time you see 2 points and X coordinate is the same, it means you have vertical line running through that X comma 0 coordinate or any other point. Now, find the slope of horizontal. What I see, same. That's it. Saves my life. I don't have to go through that formula y2 minus. If I take 2 minus 2, I have 0 in my numerator, right? Right away. Now, no slope. Vertical line. Here's line equals y equals 2. Any questions, gentlemen? Okay. So sketch the line passing through the pair of points and identify the lines as having positive slope, negative slope, 0 slope, or undefined slope. So minus 4, 2, minus 4, 2. That's 1 point, minus 4, minus 5. What is it? Vertical line, slope undefined. Now, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 6. Well, something like that. So positive or negative slope? Positive. 0.725. Positive or negative? Negative. Everybody following? Guys. Now this one. -6 - 3. 5 - 3. So what is it? Horizontal line?
What about the first one? The first one.
No, undefined. Undefined. Recall the formula. So x is the same. Where is so delta x here -4 -4. So it's division on 0. Okay. Let's do this one. You want to try it? Okay, do it. It's better late than never. Yeah, give him attendance to sign, whoever has that door. So what I have -2, 5, 1. Horizontal line. 5, 4. 6 -1. So it drops. Yeah, put it here in that yellow folder. Thank you. Negative. 4 and 4, so that's vertical line, right? 4 - 2, 4, 3. Undefined. So more or less we okay with that, right? Let's move forward. So we played with slope. Now we're gonna use a linear equation of a line. That's the formula. Write this down. What we use to write an equation what's running through the specific point. So we need to have slope and we need to have 1 point, right? Also pay attention here, we have two forms. We have general form of equation and we have intercept form. Both will be, both we will create. Okay, let's do it. So find the equation of the line passing through the point with the slope 2/3. So what I have, y minus, actually plus 2 equals 2/3 x minus 3. So open brackets, y equals 2/3 x minus 2 minus 2. So y is 2/3 x minus 4. Agree? Here minus y1, so -2 minus and minus gives you plus. Good? So no questions, guys? Tyler, you okay? Okay, try this one. So m minus 3/4, p minus 1/4. Formula. This one. Basically, what you have to do, you have to simplify and bring to this format. That should be the answer in this form. Four runs to other side, positive. So from 4 full units, you take 3/4. You have 3 full units and 1/4. Yes? Any questions? Oops. So standard form, what is the specific? First term with x, then terms with y. On other side of equal sign is a free element. It's just the form. Okay, let's do it. So y equals 2/3 over x minus 4. So what is bothering me here? Denominator, right? What can be done? Everything times 3. Can I do that? Of course. So 3y equals 2x minus 12. Now what form is? I take 2x minus 3y equals 12. That's what it is. I start with x, then I need y here, so I transfer y to that side with negative sign. And 12 I transfer to opposite side, changing minus for plus as well. Good? Yeah. Try this one. Some cases it's better to have this form. In other cases, it's better to have a slope form. So what we see here, we have the same denominator, yes? To get rid of that guy, I would times 4, right? So 4y equals minus 3x plus 13. So 3x moves to the left. 3x plus 4y equals 13. That's it. Now, when we have 2 points given, basically we find slope first, and then we what? Then we use that form to find an equation. For point, you can use either first point or second, it doesn't matter. Both will give you the same result. So write this formula. That's another form of the same formula, just without slope. It's little extra. Did I show you that exponent of 1 or no? Guys, look at that. Little lyrical jump to the side. Where we are, by the way? Okay. Little lyrical jump to the side. If whatever you do, you take 1 as 100%, anything. It could be your study, could be anything, family, could be what? Sport, anything. 365 days a year, right? Or let's put this way, exponent 365. What's the answer? Nothing really changed, right? Now, if you take little extra efforts and put 1 tiny small percent more than required, let me take the calculator. $37.78. That's 3,778%. Now, if you're lazy and don't do enough, little extra 1%, not much, approximately. About 3%. Not even 326. So make your own conclusions, gentlemen. Where you want to be, what you want to do with your life. Okay, come back to our ships. We were here? Yep. So right, those 2 steps, we will use these 2 steps. That's just the formula, extra something for you to have. Let's do it. Find the equation of the line that passes through points 0, 8, and 5. Let's put it P1, P2. So first step, slope 0 minus 8 over 5 minus 0. What I have, minus 8 over 5, right? Yes? Okay, then second step, let's use P1, for example. Oh, P2. P2. Why P2? Because 0 is here. Okay, let's do two options. 2A, we use P1. So y minus 8 equals 2 minus 8 over 5. X minus 0, right? So y equals minus 8 over 5 plus x plus 8. Good? Guys, let's do P2. P2 here. So y minus 0 equals minus 8 over 5, x minus 5. Y equals minus 8 over 5, x plus 8. Same thing. Now take P2, P1. M is what? 8 minus 0, 0 minus 5. Slope is the same. So that's 2b. So 2a, we take P1. So y minus 0 equals 2 minus 8 over 5. The same thing. And 2b, we take P2. So what is it? Y minus 8 equals minus 8 over 5, x minus 0. So y equals minus 8 over 5x plus 8. So as you see, whatever you choose, if you do it right, you have the same answer. Okay? Try this one. Agree? I take P2. Why P2? Because y is 0. Good? Any questions? As I said, any combination of points, starting points is fine. Whatever you do. Find the equation of the line that passes through points. Well, I think we can skip that. Or shall we do it? What is that? Saves life, right? Not life, but time. Well, if you go through that algorithm finding m, you will find it is 0, 4 minus 4, and that's about it. Okay, now that's we discussed already. That's horizontal line, that's vertical line, right? Now, find equation passes through the points. Done. As easy as that. Now this one. Good? Any questions? Okay. Find the equation of a line given the slope and y-intercept. So basically, well, if we have b and we have m. So let's do it. Equation line with slope minus 3 intercept, so B is 5. Just about this, nothing too serious, too complicated. Any questions? Full line, try this one. Right? That's it. Just plug two values into equation. Okay, fairy tale story. Shows cost of producing picture frames. Write equation that represents the graph. Use the equation to find cost of producing 20 pictures frames. So cost, let's put C as a function of, not actually not from dollar, from whatever number, doesn't matter, C. Let's not go deep into the forest. So C, that's the cost. Now, analyzing picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the run? 1. What is the rise? 5. So M, rise of the run over run is 5. Yes? Where we start the game? 10. So C is 5, whatever, P plus 10. Now, if I have 20 pictures, this morning we calculated that it was 110. Any questions? Okay, identify the slope and y-intercept and write the equation of the line. So what I have, B is minus 3. Now slope will be negative, yes or yes? So I can think two ways. I know it's declining, so how many points declines? 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I can go 3 down, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So that's the slope equation. So y is minus 3 over 4, x minus 3. Are we good? Any questions? Okay. Try this one. What is B?
-5.
Yeah. What is the slope? Positive or negative? Positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Over. That's it. Equation minus, sorry.
How come it's over what?
Coordinate 1. So what slope means? Units up or down, depends on the side. Units to the side, to the right or to the left. That's it.
So it was 8 up and left to the left.
To the right.
To the right.
Yeah. Positive. Yeah.
So how did you determine that it was like, because of 5 times 5?
Yeah, because of here. B is the coordinate of y coordinate of y-intercept. That's what we discussed last class. Okay. So parallel lines, hope everybody know what it is, right? So for parallel lines, slopes are equal. Equations will differentiate, be different only with B. B would be different. So let's see. We have line and we need to write other two lines. Now let's see, what is it? 5 and 5. So run and rise 5. So slope is what? 1, right? 1, but -1 because this thing is what? Declining. Now here, 2 and 2, slope is -1. 4 and 4, -1. So what I should do, well, x plus y equals to 5. I put that in slope form. Now from here, m is -1. Now would I take any number, for example, this one, 2, 0. So for k, what I have, y minus 0 equals -1, x minus 2. So y equals minus x plus 2. That's equation for line k. If you want general form, that's what it is. Now, j, let's take this minus 4, 0. So y minus 0 equals minus x plus 4. So y equals minus x minus 4. For general form, so what I see, different b, m is everywhere the same, right? And slope is the same. Any questions, gentlemen? Let me see how much more we have. A little bit. So that's what we did basically. We found m for known function. We found slope, and then using this formula, we calculated other line, right? And point. Remember, we picked point. Okay. Now, write the equation of the line is parallel to this one and passes through the point. So let me put here 2y equals 3x plus 8. So y is 3 over 2, x plus 4. Now from here, m is 3 over 2. Yes? So line is parallel. It means I will have y minus 1 equals 3 over 2, x minus 2. I use that point to plug into formula. Y equals 3 over 2x minus 3 plus 1. So y equals 3 over 2x minus 2. And if I want same format, for example, here, I probably take this. That's general form. And this one, I times 2, and I have what? 2y equals 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2y equals 2. Three by 2, yes. Say it again.
We have y equals 3/2 times x minus 2.
Yeah.
Multiply the minus 2 by 2.
Oh, yeah, I do. Yeah, you're right. It's 4. Absolutely. You're right. Yeah, I just missed that. Thank you. So you see slope is the same, lines are parallel, that's for sure. Any questions? Try this one. Good. Sorry, 3. Agree? If I want general form, what I do, I need to write that 4 times like that, then times 3. What I have, 3y equals x minus 13. So x minus 3y equals to 13. That's what it is. General form here. Yeah, that's, we already had. Any questions? So we do one more thing and we're done. And this thing is perpendicular line. So two lines perpendicular if they intersect at the first point, right? And this intersection angle is 90 degrees. The other name is normal. So if you come across or whatever, read, two lines are normal, it means they are perpendicular. Yeah, that's terminology. If you didn't know, memorize that. So remember, for two lines, perpendicular lines, M1 times, God, M1 times M2 is minus 1. Here in this course, they talk about negative reciprocal. It means M2 equals minus 1 over M1, which is the same thing. Inspect there, 2 minus 1 over 2. 2 over 3 minus 3 over 2. Okay, negative reciprocal. So how we find? We find original slope, then we find negative reciprocal, and use that as a slope for perpendicular line using this equation. Let's do it. Find the equation of the line that perpendicular to and passes through. So 4x plus y equals minus 3. So y equals what? Minus 4x minus 3. Yes? So M1 is minus 4. M2 will be minus, that should be more clear. Yes? Now, y plus 3 equals 1 over 4 x minus 0. What I do, I use that point, right? So y equals to 1 over 4x minus 3. That is slope form. Now, if I times 4, what I have, 4y equals x minus 12, and x minus 4y equals 12. So these two lines perpendicular. Good? One more? Try to do this one. So, mister, now we're gonna solve something you missed. So pay attention. You guys are practicing now. So first I work with original equation in order to find slope. So 3y equals what? X plus 9. Y is 1 over 3 plus 3. Yes? So original slope M1 is 1 over 3. So perpendicular slope is this. Yes? So y minus 5 equals negative 3. Why it's sick, has to be more clear. Negative 3, x minus 2. So y minus 5 equals minus 3x plus 6. So y equals minus 3x plus what? 11. Yes? If I want that general form, I would do this. So that's two perpendicular lines. On this, let's do this one and kiss lecture goodbye. So I have 4 functions here. My goal is to find which one is parallel, which one is perpendicular to that given thing, right? Which line is perpendicular to line passing through minus 2, 1. Okay, so 2x minus 3y equals 1. So what I have, y, 3y equals to minus 2x plus 1, right? Y equals minus 2/3 x plus 1/3. So did we do a good job? No? Why?
We didn't find the slope.
We didn't find the slope here? What do you mean?
Is minus 2 over 3.
Well, we divided by 3. So I solve for y, this function. So 3y, oh, what I did bad. I did bad. One more attempt. So 3y is 2x minus 1. That's better, right? Yes? Yeah. So y is 2 over 3x minus 1 over 3. So these two lines coincide, right? But it has to go through that point. So let's say minus 2/3 minus 3/3, 1/3 is minus 1, is it? No, actually, my bad. 2, 4/3 minus 1/3 is what? Is 3/3, is positive 1. So this line doesn't go through that point, but this line and that line, they coincide. Right? Now, this line and that line are parallel. Yes? So they are, let's put here parallel, parallel, perpendicular, perpendicular. This is just too much. Okay, agree? So on this happy note, we finish. We have a break. What time is that? Let me stop recording.